Standard 9 English. Happy day, children. Hope you are all watching the video classes and learning. Be safe and obey your parents during this pandemic time. Today we are going to learn Unit 2 Supplementary. The title of the story is The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Let's see about the author. Isaac Asimov, born on January 2nd, 1920. He was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his work of science fiction and popular science. Asimov was a prolific writer and edited more than 500 books and estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. Asimov wrote hard science fiction along with Robert A. Heinlein and Arthur C. Clarke. He was considered one of the best science fiction writers during his lifetime. Dear children, before saying the story, I like to ask a question. Do you like to learn from home like this, or you all like to come to school and learn with your friends? Hope many of your answer will be coming to school and learning with your friends. Most of you miss your friends, classroom and school, right? Pray to God that this situation need to change and you all must enjoy learning in school. Okay children, I ask this question because we are going to learn a lesson related to this situation. Hope you all will love school more at the end of this story. This is a very light story. It is set in the future. It will make all of you love school. This story is regarding school life and how those children who do not go to school miss school life. The setting of the story is in the future. That is, there will be no school, no books. Now, how those students will miss going to school and will feel that their ancestors, that is the present generation, you all had fun going to school, meeting and helping each other. In the end, we come to know that this is an imagination of a young girl named Margie who comes to know that their ancestors used to go to school. All the children used to study together. She feels that they all had a lot of fun when they went to school. So, when we read the story, we feel that school life is very good and we are fortunate that we have real schools where we go, meet friends and get a chance to study together. Characters. Margie. Margie is an 11 years old girl who hates school. Tommy. Tommy is a 13 years old boy. Mrs. Jones, Margie's mother. Mechanical teacher, he teaches to Margie and Tommy. He teaches them different subjects and he works on the television screen. Margie is the main character of the story. She is a girl of 11 years old. She writes a diary on the night of 17th May 2157. Right now we are living in 2020. As told earlier, the story is set in the future and it is set in the year 2157. So almost 1.5 centuries, that is 137 years from now. On 17th May 2157, Tommy, 13 years old boy, finds a real book in the attic of his house. Attic means a place just below the roof used as a storeroom. Margie mentions this incident in her diary. Surprised and astonished to see a real book, they both take a look at it together. The book has been printed on paper. It is really old and crinkly, that is crushed. In the year 2157, this kind of books doesn't exist anymore. In this time, words are moving on television screen. This television contains over 1 million books. That is the reason why Tommy thinks that they are much better. While reading the old book, Tommy says that it is about school, but not about their type of school. It is about school centuries ago. Margie hates school and can't understand why someone would write about it. And she is having problem with learning geography from her mechanical teacher. Margie's school was a virtual classroom. It was not a real school like we have today. So in the future we are thinking that the schools will be virtual classroom. There will be machines, that is robots, teaching the childrens. Margie dislikes her mechanical teacher, which is black, large, and has a screen on it. It teaches, gives her exercises, and asks questions all in a special room in their own house. It can also calculate the marks in no time. Margie hates papers. Once the geography sector of her mechanical teacher was geared too quickly so that her marks got worse and worse. Mrs. Jones, Margie's mother, called the country inspector to rebuild it, and it took him about an hour to set it right. The country inspector patted her head and said it had slowed down to her level. Margie was disappointed. She thought to rebuild it will take time. She also remembers once Tommy's history sector has been blanked and it took a month to repair, so she was disappointed. At first, Margie does not understand how a human could be a teacher and how all the students were taught the same thing. She thought these schools are funny and she wants to know more about it. Tommy further tells her that the teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. The kids of the same age learn the same thing. Now it is Margie's school time. Margie asks Tommy whether we can read the book some more after school. Maybe, said Tommy nonchalantly, that is in a casual, calm, and relaxed manner. It's school time for Tommy also. He walked with the old book tucked beneath his arm, that is under his arms. Margie goes into the schoolroom, which is right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher is on and waiting for her. Except Saturday and Sunday, at the same time she had classes. Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Mechanical teacher asked for yesterday's homework. She puts her homework in the slot with a sigh. That is, let out a long breath that shows you are sad. Margie is thinking of the story told by her grandfather. Her grandfather told her that his grandfather used to go to school when he was a little boy. As Margie is bored with this mission, she is reminded of that life. All the kids from the neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. Sitting together in the classroom, teachers were human beings and going together at the end of the day. Those schools were far better than the schools of today because they offered great fun to the students. As Margie had inserted her homework, the machine started with the lessons. There was no pass, no time for fun, no time for chatting, and no time for interacting with friends. Margie keeps thinking about the kids of the old school system and how much fun the children must have had back then, learning and spending time together. There ends the story with the title The Fun They Had. The main theme in the short story, The Fun They Had, is that of education. More specifically, the narrative deals with the future of education, which will become increasingly computerized and estranged from social interactions. Dear children, we are almost in the starting stage of this computerized education, as our author Isaac Asimov predicted in this story. Moral of the story is old is gold. Dear children, hope you understood the story. We feel that school is very good and we are fortunate that we have real schools. We meet friends, interact with teachers and enjoy learning together. See the WhatsApp group and do the assignment given. Report as task completed in your group between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Thanks for watching.